Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is evaluate cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Guys, this is again a very simple and very straightforward question. So let's see how we are going to evaluate the given question. So it is being given like cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Guys, if you look to this type of questions, you will see that here 31 degree and here 59 degree. So 31 degree and 51 degree, if I add 31 plus 59, is equal to 90 degree. So always these two values are always we will get as 90. Why? Because trigonometry is completely based upon a right angle triangle. So a right angle triangle is always having one angle as 90 degree. Now guys, let us move ahead and see what we can do. We very well know that as per the trigonometric identities like sec theta, I can write sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Hope guys you know this thing very well by this time. Even if you do not know, try to remember or try to look back at the books and you will see that these identities or these formulas are being given. Like sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, or tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Similar way, I have considered sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Now, let me here we have sec 59 degree. So keeping this 59 degree in view, let me take here the value of theta, here is 59. So I can write now, or sec 59 degree, I can write just converting theta to 59 degree or replacing theta with 59 degree. I can write sec 59 degree is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 59. I hope till here we are pretty clear. Or even I can write sec 59 degree is equal to cosec 90 minus 59. It is 31. So I can write cosec 31 degree. So let us name this as equation 1. Okay. Now guys, what I can do now, I will go to the original equation that we are evaluating, and I will replace the value of sec 59 degree with cosec 31 degree, because here we proved that sec 59 degree is equal to cosec 31 degree. So I can write what I can write? I can write cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree is equal to cosec 31 degree minus cosec 31 degree. Guys, again I am repeating, I got this sec 59 degree as cosec 31 degree from this equation. From this equation I got sec 59 degree as cosec 31 degree. So just I replaced it, and you will see that I am getting the value as 0. How 0? Because this is plus 31 degree and this is minus 31 degree. So plus and minus, it got cancelled and I am just left with 0. So we can say that this is our answer guys, 0 is our answer. But to conclude, we can write and say that, hence we can say that, because we are evaluating, hence we can say that cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree is equal to 0. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this equation. This is very easy and straightforward. But still, if you have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.